week in construction and property, Bellary is stitching up a mega industrial hub. Mumbai skyline is shooting higher with redevelopment. Bengaluru home buyers score a big win, and Solapur gets a double boost with IT and housing. Welcome back to Brick and Bold Bulletin, your weekly construction update, minus the jargon. Let's get started. The Karnataka Industrial Areas Development Board has finalized land for the upcoming Genes Park in Bellary, spanning 154 acres for over 500 denim units. It's not just about factories. The project will include a centralized effluent treatment plant, setting a benchmark for eco-friendly industrial zones. Work is expected to kick off within the next 12 to 18 months. From industrial parks to urban skylines, let's head to Mumbai. Developers in Mumbai are seeing windfall profits as revised floor space index rules allow taller buildings in Bandra, Khar and Santa Cruz. Older, low-rise buildings are being replaced with luxury, high-rises, creating huge opportunities, but also raising questions about congestion and livability in already dense pockets. And while Mumbai debates space, Bengaluru home buyers just won back their own. After nearly a decade of waiting, residents in Whitefield secured a major order from RERA. The builder must now complete pending amenities, obtain occupancy certificates, and compensate buyers for the long delays, with a monitoring committee assuring follow-through. For home buyers, it's a reminder that collective action can deliver real results. Speaking of change, Solapur is stepping into the spotlight with two massive announcements. Maharashtra CM Devendra Fadnavis has announced an IT park through MIDC in Solapur, alongside a 850 crore affordable housing project. The homes will be solar powered and the IT hub is expected to bring jobs and growth to the region. A big step for a city not usually seen as a tech destination. And finally, from local development to national momentum, Hyderabad and Bengaluru together accounted for 50% of India's office space leasing in the first half of 2025, driven mainly by tech sector and global capability centers. This confirms both cities' position as India's hottest hub for IT infrastructure and commercial real estate. That's your wrap for episode 7. From denim hubs and redevelopment profits to RERA wins and Solapur's big push into IT and housing. If one of these stories stood out, tell us in the comments below. And if you're planning to build, remember you can book a free consultation with Brick and Bold. The link's in the description. Like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you next Friday with another update that actually makes sense.